Well, after many, many years of putting out usual, what they call Hasidic CDs, I decided it was time to veer off a little bit, do something different. So I had two projects. One was to do Yom Tov Erlich songs, and the other, of course, as a Chabadnik myself, to bring Chabad melodies to the world. In my humble opinion, Chabad has wonderful, wonderful, fantastic songs. And I figured I'm far enough into my career, so to speak, I can take a chance and do something different and put out a Chabad CD. And to this day, I have 4 in that series, 4 full CDs of Chabad melodies, more on the way, God willing. And it's so heartwarming. To this day, most of my compliments, so to speak, are about the Chabad and the Yiddish Gem series. The other ones they're used to. Okay, we know, keep climbing, don't hide from me. We know but the Chabad songs and the Yiddish gems, for some reason, the people they can't find the right words to tell me how it makes them feel, how it inspired them, how it uplifted them. And incredibly heartwarming. So I know many Chabad songs. So I started going through the list for the first CD, for the second CD, third CD, and fourth CD. Avinu Malkeinu was a Chabad classic, so these were very easy to choose.